Alright guys, winding down here. I got my last couple of fittings here prepped. That'll be at the end of the trunk line. I got my base can here all sealed. I'll wrap it in. I'll wrap it once it's dropped in place because my hole's just big enough for him to fit through. But yeah, I mean, we got all our prep work done today. We'll get real busy on it when I get back into town on Tuesday. This is another AVC 48 CX21C air handler, mated to the CH16B36 410A. I can still get a few of these. And actually, I don't know. Yeah, I can still get these. I don't think I can get any more of the heat pumps. But, yeah. We're just winding down. I've been at the beach all day. Load it up again. See you next time.